going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Garage. Thank you for tuning in, and today we have the Katzkin leather. Now I'm going to dive into this, and we're just going to do kind of an unboxing video for the sake of today. I may dive into working on the truck, but this is for our 2018 Chevy Silverado LT that has the cloth bucket seats. Now this kit covers both styles of front bucket seats or bench. It also does the 60-40 split in the rear. That's what I'm going for. I'm going for more of the OEM kind of look, which is the black with the gray, just because I like that look. I almost opted for the tan color. Unfortunately, I just couldn't get the shipping down. I got this off of eBay, and it cost me, what, $550, not including shipping. Shipping to Alaska is a pain in the butt, as I've talked about several times before. So this is official Katzkin. I was super pleased when I got this box, simply because I was concerned. I bought this off of eBay. The guy had high sellers. Seeing it in what appears to be a Katzkin original box kind of relieves some of that. Is this real or is it some fake crap? It appears to be real to me. Now, Katzkin's been around a long time. I've got several buddies that have had Katzkin in their vehicles, and one of them recently had purchased a Dodge Ram that they did a bunch of upgrades on. It was a lower grade model, but they did so many upgrades to it. They lifted the truck, they put bigger wheels and tires, a new grill, and of course topped it off with Katzkin. Looks great. And I've seen just many of these when I worked at Dodge a long time ago. We sold a couple of these kits, but they need to be dealer installed. Now, that's the deal. Katzkin leather right here on the screen behind me. You can check out, they've got so many great variations. Now, this is a dealer installed item, so it doesn't have to be an automotive dealer, upholstery dealer, so you can just go onto their website if you're interested, or go on to eBay and buy one like I did, because I got quoted between $25,000 and $3,000 and thought that this could be a pretty cool video for the YouTube channel. Let's open the box and see what's going on. Now, I did pop the box open. That's as far as I made it the other day when it came in. I've got this and a lot of other things coming to the Silverado, so you're going to want to hit subscribe down below so you guys don't miss a thing. So, upon opening this guy up, you put the knife down, you've got a big piece of cardboard. It looks to be all bad, so the way I'll do this is I'll just kind of figure out where to open this bag up at. Wow. And we'll take a look at it. So I did watch, there's a great video, and there are alternatives to this too. Obviously you can do seat covers if you want. I wanted the real deal, and this is about as real as it can get. There's also leather seats. I think it's leatherseats.com. They do full replacement just like Katzkin as well. I watched their video because they're the ones with the install video, just to see what I was getting myself into, which does help kind of prepare just in case I needed hog rings or I needed some other alternative piece of equipment. I don't believe I do, but we'll find out. So here, this is going to be obviously your center, one of your center consoles. Yep, another part to your center console. But if you look at this one's a zip on. I'm not sure which one this is, but I'll show you guys kind of up close. I mean, this is really nice leather. Wow, there's some of the stitching. Hopefully it focuses. Focus. There you go. That's that stitching. So it's similar, like I said, to the factory. I actually think this looks better than a lot of the factory. It seems thicker, and then they have an internal pad on it. Let me put those guys down. So this must be the rear I'm looking at. So there's a rear headrest. This is super nice, and it just feels like quality leather. There's another rear headrest. This would be one of your front headrests right here. All the clips and everything right there. That one over here. It's also nice so I can separate some of this stuff. Stitching on it looks just incredible. And you can't really see, but again, you got your clips. Here's one of the headrests. So overall, this, I mean, pretty nice, clean look. So this is going to be, I'm not sure which one this is. I think this is if you have the different center console. So I have the actual center console, not the flip up, flip down. I think that's what that is for. Here is a seat bottom, and it looks like they marked where I'm assuming I'm probably going to have to cut. That might be the rear. Because here, whoa, look at that. That's just, wow. There we go. So this is obviously going to be the front seat right here. It is perforated down the center. Maybe it is the rear. I'm not sure. We'll just keep going. It's hard to tell when you're looking at the seat this way because that one says child on it. Oh, it is the rear. Whoa, look at that. That's absolutely gorgeous. Oops. Hit the mic there. Yeah, so there's the center console for the rear. So this is the rear seat. Look at that. Perforated leather in the middle. Has the child markers on it. Nice, very nice done on the sides. This is going to be a very nice looking setup. I'm going to put this over to the side. Okay, now I believe we'll be getting into the front. Again, perforated down the center. Look at that, yeah. So that's going to be a front seat right here. So there's one of the front seats. Does have the Katzkin logo sewn in. So there's one of the fronts. I mean, that is nice. Very, very well done. My hat is completely off to these guys. There's another seat cover. I like the design too, because again, it looks factory. This reminds me a lot of my Denali I had, which had leather perforated seats, and it was a higher quality. So, why did that stop? Oh, I guess it didn't. I thought the camera stopped there while I was talking. I guess it did not. Wow. So here, I guess you have the option to take your headrests off because there's no holes for the headrest, but this is very nice. Very nice. So that is what the back looks like. Again, to me, this is very similar in quality and just overall look to the GMC Denali I had. I mean, to me, very comparable. Obviously, on my model, it has the, because it's 2018, it has this back. I believe, and I may be wrong here, that if you have an earlier model, it will also have the leather back, and they went away from the plastic because there were so many issues with that. Let's see what else we got here. Okay. So this must be the back cushion because this is the back to the back. I also like, to be honest with you, or actually this is the back lower, excuse me, that the stitching goes into the back. It really does. It's not just like they shied away from it. It's got the carpet on the under, just like your factory. Again, you know, depending on the dealer, a lot of the stuff is factory grade, and you can get this put onto your vehicle from your local automotive dealer if they're doing these kinds of things. What else do we got in the back? Okay, so we do have their warranty, restyling provided by. Please fill out the information form. Never use silicone-based products. Your leather should be cleaned with a soft cloth, small amount of mild soap, and water. Allow soap solution free of soil, so warranty does not apply to claims for abrasion scuffs. Okay, so the warranty is on, let's see, is only valid for products purchased from Katzkin Leather Incorporated and used in the United States and Canada. The leather interior upgrade is manufactured by Katzkin, explicitly limited to the original purchaser of the vehicle. So Katzkin warrants 3 years, 36,000 miles. This warranty will not apply if it has been altered, unauthorized repair, or abuse. The warranty does not apply to claims for abrasion, silicone-based products. Katzkin reserves the right to obtain a replacement. See, the warranty gives legal rights to consumers. So check that out. Super cool. There's the warranty card. I'm going to fill it out. I don't know if they'll let me do it because I bought it off of eBay and I didn't buy it direct from Katzkin because they won't sell direct. They said go to my local guy. Super pumped to get this in. I'm going to throw this stuff back in the box here. Maybe with the exception of the front leather. But I do have it separated now. I think the front's going to be a little easier than the back, but I'll do a full install video of this so you guys can check it out. But blown away by just the sheer quality. I mean, like you feel this leather, and it isn't like that cheap fox leather, or it's not like a cheap seat cover you might have gotten for your car or your truck just to maybe save the seats or get a longer life out of it. So I highly suggest looking into this kit. Colors vary on whatever it is you're trying to look for, and of course this is available in all kinds of cars, trucks, and so much more. Again, this is the Katzkin leather seat kit. I'm super stoked to hopefully get this guy installed in my truck. I may start with the front. I will start with the front of the truck first and then work my way into the back, just because I believe, not that it's going to be easy because I got to de-skin the whole shooting match, but I just can't say enough just how beautiful of a job these folks did on setting this up. Sides are interior zippered, and then they do have all the channels and the clips. So everything's going to clip together and should come together very nicely. Super stoked. Thank you guys for checking out the video here. And as always, if you guys have not subscribed, consider doing that down below. Share the video. Once again, there it is. Super stoked. Again, one thing like I said, I will have to pop some holes, unfortunately, in this leather, or I run without headrests. We'll see what that looks like when I get there. I don't think I've ever ran a vehicle without headrests or taken them off. Plus, here's the headrest leather. So that just gives you kind of an idea. It's got these just nice bolstered sides. I mean, it's gonna top off this 18 Silverado project truck. On the interior for now, anyways, again, we have a bunch of other stuff coming. Check us out. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook, everywhere else. I appreciate you guys stopping by. If you have any questions about this product, where I bought it from, or any of that stuff, drop a comment down below. If you guys are out riding or driving, do it safely, and I'll see you in the next video.